Hi.
Hi. We're hitting the trail. Oh, wait. No, we're not hitting the trail.
No.
We're hitting the stay at home for the last 6 months and fester, waiting to go back out and see the world.
Yeah, we're kind of stuck. So it's, we came out here because it's really kind of, I don't know.
It's how we feel right now.
Rainy.
Dreary.
Yeah.
Dreary.
So a few months ago, June 15th to be exact, I had a little bit of an accident. You may have seen it. If you haven't, you can check out the episode. It'll show up here somewhere. And we were told, hey, maybe a month or two, we should have an answer on it. It's been 2.5 months. And
no answer. Still.
Yeah, we know that we need a whole new back wall. We were told last week, hey, there's a really good chance we're probably just going to total this. And then we got told today, no, you're not even close to that. Even though we're probably looking at close to 20 grand worth of work.
The laws here in Maine and Massachusetts are kind of a little different than other places.
Yeah.
Not user friendly.
So we don't actually know what we're doing. We're up here for 6 weeks, and after
this is Sunday River.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful ski resort up in Bethel, Maine. Great condominium. We has everything that we need. There's so much hiking and stuff to do here. If we can, well, this trail lifts aren't running, so we'd have to like walk up to the top of the mountain only to walk back down. That's kind of defeats the purpose, but hopefully it will get sunny and we'll be able to go out and do something.
We were hoping for a lot, and
every day we're like, please, and then every day we're like, no.
Yeah, one day it's like, oh hey, we've got good news, and it's not going to come. You're going to get bad news the next day. So anyway, we don't know what's going on with Casper. We may hear in the next couple weeks, but unfortunately they can't tell us what's wrong inside the trailer until they tear off the back wall, and they can't do that until they order the new back wall. And they've been waiting on prices on that for over 2 weeks, and they just can't seem to get a price together. We're kind of looking, hey, should we move it to a different repair shop? We just don't know. The insurance companies kind of tried, but also
their hands are kind of tied. They can't do certain things, so they're kind of relying on the place that has our RV.
Yeah.
And it's like, we've got 6 weeks here, beautiful Sunday River, which is nice. Hopefully something will happen positive while we're here, other than, some hiking and biking and not skiing, because it's not ski weather right now.
Yeah, we don't want snow.
Although I wouldn't be surprised if that came next.
Yeah, the way things are going for us. So anyway, we don't, as far as what's happening next for Hinton the Trail, we thought we'd be on the road a couple months ago.
We made reservations for like a month at Zion. I'm like, maybe we need to cancel those.
Yeah, maybe
for
cancel.
November. I was like, man.
We don't know if we should
price.
just bite the bullet and
buy a new camper.
Which I don't know how we do that financially, but
we're not rich.
Or do we find a place to rent for the next 5 months, because they're saying this may not even be fixed until spring, which is absolutely ridiculous. So hey, if you're a lawyer in Maine and you understand totaling vehicles, and what we can do to push the insurance to say, look, this is where we live, and we're in this thing, or we were without it for months and months and months, so we're paying out of pocket or living in her parents' basement. We're 43 years old, 45 years old. Should be living in a basement. But I guess I shouldn't have wrecked Casper.
Well, in the basement is very nice.
It is.
It's lovely to be able to stay with our parents and have, get to see them. We haven't gotten to see them a lot lately.
At least we have that.
Yes.
But as far as what we're going to do, we don't know.
If you have any ideas, please leave a message below.
Yeah.
Get back with us.
Drop a comment. But we just, instead of putting out the regular weekly video, which would be, I think, at Joshua Tree this week, and then this came up, and we're like, we're going to put together a quick video to let everybody know we're still stuck in Maine.
Not that Maine isn't great, because it is.
It is, but we want to be out here before winter.
It's cold in the winter.
Yeah. So anyway, thanks for watching. Wish us luck. Again, if you know anybody that can help us, please feel free to leave a comment down below. So thank you for everything. Thanks for your support.
Thanks for watching.
Yep.